Hi, I'm Rob, and this is another Show Ready Moment. LED walls are becoming the standard in the live event industry. They can be brighter and sharper than projectors. On top of ultra widescreen displays and the ability to curve, LED walls can be hung in creative and unique ways to enhance your stage look. However, choosing LED does come with more pre-production and logistical planning. Installing LED at your event will take up a large amount of space in your venue. When looking at your event space, make sure to consider the area behind the LED wall for structural builds and bracing support. Although there are many products with smaller pixel pitches, make sure to also consider how close your guests will be to the front of the screen. We know how important time is when working inside venues and event spaces. It is crucial that during the planning of your event, enough time is given for the installation, the cabling, and the programming to ensure safety for all guests and a desired aesthetic. Lastly, LED walls require a lot of power to run. It is paramount that you are working with your venue and your AV provider on securing an ample amount of power on site to run your LED walls. Always have an experienced technician on site to deploy power safely for your LED and for your entire show. Thank you for joining us for another Show Ready Moment.